This 2027 Renegade RV Vienna 25RML is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade RV is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Athens interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2027 Renegade RV Vienna 25RML is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.